Desert Financial Credit Union is the long-standing title sponsor of CW7 Arizona's Stuff the Bus campaign, helping local students start the school year prepared with school supplies. Now, senior financial wellness educator Lisa Coram is here with budget-friendly tips every family can use when it is time to buy school supplies. So welcome.
Thank you for having me.
It's right around the corner, and some school districts are already going back.
Next week for the all-year-round school districts, yes.
Yeah, and it is expensive. I recently read a report through Reuters saying that, on average, parents are going to spend $922 per student between electronics, clothes, and school supplies. That is a lot of money.
It is a lot of money. It is a lot of money. So hopefully the tips that I provide today will help people cut down on that $900 bill. The first thing people really want to do is take inventory. See what you already have in your stash. Do you have things that you can repurpose or reuse? Get creative. We decorate those items so that they feel like they're new. So that's definitely the first step.
This is great advice. I just have to stop you right there because I can't tell you how many times I've gone shopping for school supplies with my kids. Then you get home and you already have 3 glue sticks.
Absolutely.
You know, and they just go dry. So before you go out, you say just take inventory of what you have.
Yep. Help cut down on that bill. You definitely want to have a budget that you're following, as well as a list. Most schools give a school supply list.
Yeah, the lists go out via email, and then you take that with you as you go.
Yep. And if you don't get a list, then you want to make sure that you create a realistic list for yourself.
Okay, yeah, great tip.
Once you get that list, make sure that you follow it. Shop early to take advantage of sales. Don't wait till the last minute because stuff will run out. And then at the end of the sales season, you want to make sure that you're actually going back and seeing if they have post-clearance sales, and then you can actually shop at an even greater discount, 50 to 75% off.
That's actually great advice to stock up because you're going to need more pens and pencils. You might need extra composition notebooks.
Yeah.
Some things you absolutely predictably are going to need restock.
Absolutely. Yes, yes. And then you want to compare prices at different stores, different retailers, different big boxes. And so as you're comparing those prices, if there is a big box store that you like shopping at, then you want to ask, do they have price match, where you can actually get that price at that store for the competitor's price if it's lower.
Okay, I've never done that. I feel like I'd be too embarrassed to do. Have you done this?
I've done it a couple of times. Yes.
I mean, because you work for Desert Financial. And how has it been received? Have you gotten the price match?
Yes.
I feel like on an electronic, I might do that because that's going to be expensive.
A little bit more expensive. And then, you know, on electronics, you don't have to buy new. You can buy refurbished. So that's something else to keep in mind, especially if you're looking at a graphing calculator that you're never going to use.
I've never had an issue with a refurb laptop. You know, you can get refurbished iPhones, AirPods, all that stuff. And of course, I don't know about all the school districts, but many of them do give the kids a Chromebook.
Yes. Yes.
So you at least won't have to buy that.
Yep.
Last tips before we let you go?
Last tip is the dollar store. The dollar store can be a haven for school supplies and cheap school supplies.
Oh, I love the dollar. You have come to the right place. I love the dollar store. And you might not get everything on your list there, but you might find something that you didn't even know you needed, and it's $1.
Absolutely.
Or sometimes it's like $3.99 now. The dollar store is now the $5 store.
Yes, somewhere in between $1.50 and $5.
Well, thank you so much. Desert Financial Credit Union has been associated with our Stuff the Bus campaign. Has been helping out. I think it's been 11 years.
11 years, yes.
So thanks for everything, and thanks for all your great tips today.
Thank you for having me.